Ever wondered how a simple bottle of oil can hydrate your skin, soothe achy joints, calm itchy patches, improve eye comfort, and even relax tense heels, all while you sleep? Let's dive into 6 science-backed ways castor oil might be nature's multitasking overnight elixir. Benefit 1: Soothe and strengthen eyelids and tear film blepharitis relief. What it is: a natural remedy for eyelid inflammation, irritation, dry crusting, and meibomian gland dysfunction. How it works: ricinoleic acid in castor oil bolsters tear film lipid layers, reduces tear evaporation, and soothes inflammation via its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory actions. How to use and how much: apply a tiny dab with a clean Q-tip to the lash margin and eyelid skin twice daily for 4 weeks. Ensure sterile handling to avoid infection. Scientific evidence in a randomized paired-eye trial, treating one eyelid with cold-pressed castor oil twice a day for 4 weeks led to significant improvements in eyelid margin thickening, crusting reduction, tear stability, and symptoms without any adverse reactions. Benefit 2: ease knee and joint pain from arthritis. What it is: a topical and supplemental alternative for osteoarthritis discomfort. How it works: ricinoleic acid offers pain relief and anti-inflammatory effects, and may relieve swelling similarly to NSAIDs, but without common side effects. How to use and how much: oral capsule, 0.9 milliliters of castor oil, 3 times daily for 4 weeks. Topical: gently massage 5 to 10 milliliters warmed castor oil into affected joint daily, optionally covered with a warm cloth for deeper absorption. Scientific evidence: a double-blind study comparing castor oil capsules to 50 milligrams diclofenac 3 times daily found equivalent relief in knee osteoarthritis symptoms after 4 weeks without side effects from castor oil. Benefit 3: deep hydration for light to very dry skin. What it is: an occlusive moisturizer that heals dry patches and reinforces skin barrier. How it works: castor oil forms a protective occlusive layer, while ricinoleic acid pulls moisture into the skin, locking in hydration. Its antioxidant and antibacterial qualities support skin repair and calm irritation. How to use and how much: cleanse skin, then apply a pea-sized drop, massaging into dry areas once nightly. For extremely dry skin, mix with lighter oils. Scientific evidence: while randomized clinical trials are limited, numerous dermatology reviews confirm castor oil's humectant nature, anti-inflammatory effect, and use in wound dressings like Vinolix supports healing and reduces moisture loss effectively. Benefit 4: natural relief for plantar fasciitis and foot pain. What it is: a warming massage remedy to ease inflammation and connective tissue strain in feet. How it works: low molecular weight allows deep tissue penetration. Vasodilatory effects increase blood flow. Lubrication supports stretching and reduces fascia stress. Skin barrier benefits soothe cracked heels too. How to use and how much: warm a few tablespoons of castor oil, massage into heels and arches for 5 to 10 minutes, then cover with socks every night for at least a week. Scientific evidence: while formal human trials are limited, users and therapeutic guides report notable relief in plantar heel pain and improved mobility via increased circulation and anti-inflammatory effects. Benefit 5: gentle digestive relief. What it is: an FDA-approved stimulant laxative for occasional constipation or bowel prep. How it works: castor oil metabolizes into ricinoleic acid in the small intestine, which triggers peristalsis by stimulating smooth muscle receptors. How to use and how much: take 15 milliliters orally once, expecting bowel movement in 2 to 6 hours. Do not exceed 60 milliliters total and avoid frequent use. Scientific evidence: FDA lists castor oil as a stimulant laxative. Though modern research is limited, it's widely accepted in medical literature for short-term constipation relief when used carefully. Benefit 6: comfort for psoriasis and dry inflammatory skin conditions. What it is: a hydrating and soothing application for psoriasis, eczema, or dry patch inflammations. How it works: deep hydration and anti-inflammatory action reduce redness and flaking. Its occlusive layer also protects against secondary infection. How to use and how much: clean the area, then gently massage a thin layer pea size or less onto affected skin once or twice daily. Always perform a patch test and consult a dermatologist. Scientific evidence: though formal trials are scarce, health reviews highlight castor oil's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory potential for managing psoriasis symptoms, emphasizing adjunctive use alongside professional therapies. Final thoughts: castor oil rich in ricinoleic acid offers multi-layered benefits across eyelid health, joint pain, skin hydration, foot discomfort, digestive relief, and soothing inflamed skin patches. While evidence strength varies by benefit, several studies support topical effectiveness in eyelid disorders and arthritis pain without notable side effects. Before bed, let castor oil be part of your ritual. Always patch test, use cold press quality, and talk with a healthcare professional when considering internal use or managing persistent conditions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe our channel for more healthcare videos. Share your thoughts in the comments and give it a like.